Happy Friday! Okay, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Ernst here, and we are going over our instructions for Friday. Okay, so we have a read aloud with one of our favorite storytellers. And then we are also finally finishing our how-to writing planning page. So you're going to do the last step. The last step for me, remember my first step was tricking Stein, getting in the tub. The second step was washing him and shampooing him. Third step is drying him and trying to make him not run outside. Because as soon as he gets out of the bathtub, he wants to go back outside and create a big mess. So that is my third step. Okay, after that, I want you to send me a picture of your child's finished writing planning page, okay? Then we are going to review our word wall song, and you're going to complete a long A and a short I sort. Send me a picture of your work. When you are done with that this week in STEM, we are going to create a lava lamp. And below, I have attached instructions on how to make a lava lamp. This is a fun experiment you can do with your kiddos, and it's kind of cool for them to see the old school lava lamps, right? Now, after that, you're going to give your child addition and subtraction problems. One way you can do this is, I'm so sorry about the extra noise, is by having them getting on iStation Math for 30 minutes. Or Prodigy. I know I say no Prodigy today, but if you want to have them practice addition and subtraction problems on Prodigy and then get on iStation Math for 30 minutes, that might be a good way to get them to practice, because Prodigy is going to be aligned and it's going to be asking them addition and subtraction problems. So keep that in mind. Here is the scan codes if you need them, contact information if you need anything. You guys have a wonderful, fabulous Friday. Okay, bye.